This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. Inspired by a spacious floor plan with everything on one easy living level plus a bonus room up, this charmer offers a fantastic open concept layout superb for entertaining all your guests. Inviting great room features big windows, vaulted ceilings, and a cozy corner gas fireplace. Alderwood cabinets, an island with eating bar, and a pantry complement the stylish kitchen. Maple hardwood floors, tile floors and laundry west/deep sink. Master suite is bright west/large windows, walk-in closet west/lots of shelves, jetted tub, and a double sink vanity. Custom blinds and blackout blinds in bedrooms. The fully fenced yard has in-ground irrigation, a covered deck, patio, and a beautiful retaining wall. Air conditioner.